Namaskar, good afternoon, all of you. Welcome to this online yoga session, office yoga session. This is organized by the Embassy of India in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. The concept of office yoga is basically to stretch our joints, muscles, loosen our muscles while working in office or at work. So while sitting for hours together, our various joints and muscles, they become lazy. So as to give them the action, it is necessary to activate those muscles and joints. So let us start with the humming. Sit in Gyan Mudra, spine and head erect. Start humming 3 times. Inhale deeply. Gently open your eyes. We start loosening and stretching exercise of all the joints, starting from the hands. Straighten your hands and bend your fingers from joints. First joint, second joint, make the fist open. Again, bend the fingers from first joint, second joint, make the fist open. Now, with the right hand, pull the fingers of left hand inward. Yeah, like this. And now push the hand inward. This gives the flexibility and action to the wrist joint. Now with the left hand, pull the finger. Keep the finger spread and pull all the fingers inward. This is good for those working on computer for hours together. Now push the hand inward. Come back. Now rotate the fists outwardly, slowly. Your wrist should not move. Only fist should move. Or you can hold this hand like this and move this like this, and anti-clockwise, clockwise. Similarly, you hold this wrist and move this fist, only fists. Very good. Now you can rotate both the fists inwardly, outwardly. Slow and gradual movement. It gives a beautiful flexibility to the wrist. Come back. Now clasp both the fists together. Housing these last two channels should be housed in each other. And now stretch your arms forward without opening the fists like this. It should be like this. Try to keep the arms straight and feel the impact on your forearm, elbows, upper arm and wrist joint. Hold it comfortably. Slowly come back. Now place your fingers jointly on the elbows. We are going to do shoulders movement. Combine the elbows and while inhaling, raise your elbows up. Exhaling, down. Inhaling, up, exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down. Now we will do reverse movement from back. Inhaling up, exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down. For shoulders, there is another variation of shoulders movement. Place the hands on your waist and inhaling, raise your shoulders up like a tortoise, and from back exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down. Now reverse movement from back, inhaling up, exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down. Next is our beautiful, important joint is neck. So for neck muscles, there is a word of caution. Those having any cervical issues, they should not bend their head forward. Otherwise, they can do other exercise. So neck exercises includes flexibility exercises, rotation flexibility, and neck muscles strengthening exercises. So we are going to do neck muscles flexibility exercise. Inhaling, raise your chin up. Exhaling, chin down. Inhaling, chin up. Exhaling, chin down. Inhaling, come to normal. Exhaling, turn your head towards right. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, turn to left. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, turn to right. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, turn to left. Inhaling, come to center. Now tilting of the head towards the right side and left side. Hold your head with the right hand and pull your head towards the right side. Come back. With the left hand, hold your head and pull it towards the left side. Come back. Now rotation of the head. I have already advised those having cervical issues, they should not do the full rotation, they can do the half rotation back. Otherwise, others can do the full rotation. Exhaling, head down, rotate your head clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Come back. These are the neck muscles flexibility exercises. Now we are going to do neck muscles strengthening exercises. Make a grip and interlock your fingers. Put it on the forehead. Inhaling. Push your head forward. Come back. Place your grip behind the head and push your head backward. Feel the vibrations in your neck muscles and your neck joint. Come back. Place your right hand on right side. Push your head toward the right side. Come back. Place your left hand on left side. Push your head left side. Come back. Now place your hands below the jaw and push your jaw upward. This is natural yogic traction to your neck vertebrae and neck muscles. Come back. Place your fist on the neck pit, and another fist below the chin, and push your chin downward. Come back. These are the neck muscles, neck joint. Now, spine. While sitting on the chair, we stretch our spine backward. Like this. If you are on a revolving chair, it's nice. Otherwise, on a stationary chair also you can do stretching exercise. Stretch your arms sideways or diagonally, and bend your spine backward, and you can stretch your legs. Feel the stretch on your whole spine. Slowly come back. You can do make a grip and put it behind the head, and stretch your spine backward. Slightly lift your hips upward. Slowly come back. Now sideways chair Bhardwaj Asana. Sideways twisting. Hold your left armrest like this, and twist your body toward the left side. Breathe normally. Slowly come back. Now hold your right arms rest and twist toward the right side. Slowly come back. Now raise your arm, hold your left elbow and pull it toward the right. Come back. Hold your right arm and right elbow and pull it toward the left. Come back. Now we are going to do Gomukhasana. Raise your right arm and from behind the back, grip it with the left fingers, left arm. Both the hands should be gripped like this. If you are having some problem, then you can use the hanky and hold it from up, and like this, and slowly you will go and grip the hands. This is Gomukhasana. This is very good for chest opening, increasing the lungs power. Slowly come back. Raise your left arm up and grip it with the right hand behind the back. Gomukhasana. Keep your eyes closed, and for a few moments feel the impact on your chest, shoulder joint, and it has a beautiful impact on the heart also. Slowly come back. Be careful that you have to do it as per your capacity, as per your limitations, because everybody may have some medical conditions. So respecting those limitations, we have to do office yoga exercises. Now we will do certain standing exercise also. First is Tadasana. Palm tree posture. Heels together, toes apart. Place your hands on the head and stretch your arms upward and raise your heels up. Maintain the balance. Keep your eyes open. Focus on one point in your front so as to maintain the balance. Slowly, slowly come back. Relax. Now we will do backward bending, twist, and forward bending also. So for backward bending, I will show you from the side. Open your legs and place your arms on the waist and bring the elbows near to each other, and inhaling, stretch your spine back. Hold it, breathe normally. Slowly, slowly come back, relax. This is called Ardha Chakrasana, backward bend, half circle posture. Now we will do Kati Chakrasana, standing, twisted posture. Stretch your legs sideways and extend your arms forward. Inhale and exhaling, bend towards left. Breathe normally. Slowly, slowly come back, and now exhaling, twist towards right side. Breathe normally. Slowly, slowly come back. Hands down. Now we will perform forward bend. Again, open the legs, stretch your legs, and place your arms, your palms on the waist. Now inhale and exhaling, bend forward. Keep your spine straight. Even if you are having backache, you can do this posture, but you have to keep your spine straight. Don't make it a hunch. Bend forward as far as possible and hold it. Slowly, slowly come back. Sit down, please. Now, a lower portion, lower body portion, joints also have to be given some exercise. Hip joint, knee joint, and ankle joint, and toe fingers. Stretch your legs forward and bend your forefoot down. Pull it inward, bend down, pull it inward. Now rotate the forefoot clockwise, anti-clockwise. Come back. Now place your legs one over another and push it against each other. Feel the impact on your lower leg as well as upper leg also. Now change the legs, please, and push it, press the legs against each other. Come back. Now place your left leg on the right leg and hold it and bend forward. Feel the impact on your bent knee, bent hip. Slowly, slowly come back. Change the leg, please. Place your right leg on your left leg and bend forward. Slowly, slowly come back. There is a good exercise for those having diabetes issues. So we have to do the exercise pressing our pancreas, our abdomen. So while sitting on the mat, we perform in a proper way while seated in a Vajrasana. But in sitting on chair also you can do this Mandukasana. Place your fist on the navel point and inhale and exhaling, bend forward. Feel squeezing of the abdomen, especially the pancreas, because the squeezing of the pancreas gives a beautiful regulation and it regulates the secretion of the insulin. Slowly, slowly come back. Now place it down calmly and we do certain pranayama. Place your hands on the knees in Chinna Mudra, spine and head straight, erect, shoulders relaxed, eyes gently closed, facial expression normal, pleasant. We do Kapalabhati. Exhaling, it is active exhalation and passive inhalation. In between the two strokes, there is a gap, slight gap. In that, have shallow breathing passively. Start please with medium pace, medium force. A word of caution: those having heart problem, hypertension or asthmatic problem, they should not do this. They can do mild with mild force, mild pace. Now we are going to do with medium pace, medium force. Kapalabhati. Come back. Let us practice with mild force, mild pace. Little less efforts are required in that mild Kapalabhati. Inhale deeply and start mild Kapalabhati. So this is both variation, mild Kapalabhati as well as medium pace Kapalabhati. So it is required as per the case, as per the requirement. Now after this Kapalabhati, it is necessary to practice Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Left hand in Gyan Mudra, right hand in Nasag Mudra, 2 fingers bent and block the right nostril with the thumb and inhale deeply through left Block the left nostril, open the right nostril, exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Please continue Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Slow, deep and long breath. Anulom Vilom Pranayama activates our both the nadis, Ida and Pingla. Ida is in the left side. It represents the Chandraswar, Chandra Nadi, and Pingla is toward the right side, right through right nostril. It represents the Surya Nadi, and both the sensations, cool and warm, both are balanced in Sushumna Nadi in the center. Exhaling through left, please conclude Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Humming bee breathing, Brahmari Pranayama. Block your eyes with the first two fingers. Place your ring fingers below the nose. Place your little finger below the lips and cover your ears with the thumbs. In case you are having nails, then you can you can block the ear lids. Inhale deeply and humming 3 times like humming bee breathing. Inhale. Come back, sit in Gyan Mudra, concentrate over your breathing process. Visualize your body from the toe to the top of the head. Feel complete relaxation to various body parts, starting from the leg, knees, thighs, abdominal region, chest region, both arms, head, and relax your spine. Now inhale deeply and start humming 3 times. open your eyes. So this is a brief session of office yoga. Hope you have liked it, you have enjoyed it, and please follow this office yoga techniques while at work, because it energizes our various body parts, muscles and joints, and it gives loosening impact, stretching impact, and we feel again rejuvenated, we feel again fresh. So this is the basic concept of office yoga. If you have 2 minutes, you can do it, a few exercises of joints, and you can always stretch your spine frequently, because the spine is a basic thing in our body, and various vertebrae and muscles and cartilages and this various discs, they should be given proper exercise and activation. So hope you have liked it, and we again tomorrow at same time 1 o'clock Ethiopian time we are ready with office yoga. Please stay blessed, stay healthy. Thank you. Namaskar.